Now I'm potting up nerines. To me, the presence of nerines in a garden always smacks of old money, in the same way as ferneries or an auricular theatre. They have that unique element of surprise in flowering in such vivid colours at an unusually late time of the year, producing the drama and sense of one-upmanship that the owners of the grand estates loved. So it was no surprise when Elaine and I visited Exbury Gardens in Hampshire, created by Lionel de Rothschild in 1919, that they had a specialist collection of these South African bulbs. The tender species, Nerine sarniensis, or Guernsey lily, was loved by Victorians for providing a shot of gorgeous colour for cut flowers to brighten up their grand homes in otherwise gloomy late autumn months. And Exbury now holds the largest collection of these decadent blooms in the world. If you don't have a frost-free spot, you can also grow the hardy species, Nerine boundenii, whose flowers are in more muted colours, but which will still give you that unexpected but very welcome surprise of delicate ethereal blooms as late as November, and will also make long-lasting cut flowers. Breeding programs are now producing some exciting crosses with brighter colours in the hardier types. Not the easiest bulb to grow. The tender ones need pot cultivation, and the hardy ones take a little while to settle and flower well at the foot of a sunny wall. But every time I see one, it transports me back to the past and the excitement that these hedonistic bulbs must have provoked when they were first introduced into Europe. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to our channel and follow our blog at the3growbags.com.